So now that we got the drivetrain all nice and lubed up and ready to go, we can go ahead and change the inner tubes. And let's start with the rear one. Okay, so you gotta disengage the brakes. Slow. Disengage the quick release. Screw the skewer. Wheel came out nice and easy. There we go. We got our rear rim out. And then I got some tire thingamajigs. I used to well, looks like I just have one. So I have one metal one and one plastic one. I broke a bunch of plastic ones on a 700C ring. So we gotta get that in between. So, I don't know, can you guys see this? Okay, so I'm working on the tire on the ground. Okay, so the tire's out, or tire's off. Inner tube. Comes out. Doesn't seem like anything was stuck in there. Some dust or debris. So we're gonna flip the tire this way. So you can kind of tell, like if there isn't a drive arrow, you can tell there's actually like arrows in the tread. Like there's actual physical arrows here if you look at that, but these arrows here, like these nibs, have like an arrow shape pointing forward, so that you want it pointing towards the front of the bike. This is a good time to make sure your the rubber that covers the spokes is seated correctly, and there's no tears in it, no spokes poking through. So yeah, that looks like it's in good shape. Just gonna put one side on. Making sure tread is pointing towards the front of the bike. Okay, so I got half the wheel on. Right, so I got some new Bell 26-inch, 1.75 inch to 2.25 inch inner tubes. I'm gonna save the self-sealing one for a different project, so I have a matching pair, because I have this pair. So I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna toss the popped inner tubes. We'll toss these outside in the garbage just so I don't get them mixed up. Alright, so let's replace the inner tubes. I got the old tubes out, or I got the old tube out. Pick one up. Let's open up one of these guys. So there we go. 26-inch bicycle inner tube, standard valve, just a straighter valve. Take this thing, put this in the plastic. cab valve. Oh, that's really on there. There you go. Some nice kind of tires. Of course. There we go. Just got the inner tube in, and just have to pump it up. So do the front inner tube now. Now we're on the front of the bike. We're gonna release the brake. So someone had no idea what they were doing and put the quick release on backwards. So there we go. So it should have been like that. So someone was trying to replace the inner tubes and they had no idea what they were doing. Got the tire out. I just need to go to the ground. Got the tire, I don't even know what these things are called technically. Tire thing, I just call them tire thingamajiggers. Better than using a screwdriver, so take that, lift up the tire. Get one side off, and then push the valve stem in. Get the tire off. Okay, this is a good time to inspect again, make sure none of the spokes are sticking through. Oh, here we go. So this is what you're looking for. You don't want that. That might have caused the pop tire. Use a screwdriver. Let's try to use a screwdriver and center. Okay, so that's crisis averted. Looks pretty good overall. So that was the only spot that was very questionable. Alright, so we're replacing the front inner tube. Got the brand new Bell 26-inch inner tube. Take my little, oh, it's a tire, oops, tire lever. I'm pretty sure this is a tire lever. Stab it. Stab a little plastic. Making sure not to pop the inner tube. Don't want anything too sharp. Tire lever is pretty dull. So yeah, 26 inch. Take the air cap valve off, or air cap valve cover, whatever. Actually, it's an air cap. Yeah. So, okay, so the rim, the skewer, the lever is on the non-drive side, and you look at the tread of the tire. There's an actual down. So there's an arrow that actually shows you which way to put it. So see this arrow right here. It says drive. This is drive, and there's an arrow. So that arrow you want facing to the front of the bike like so. So this is the way it's supposed to be. And you can tell by the tread, there's actually like arrows. And then you want those arrows pointing forward. So they want these arrows pointing forward and these arrows pointing forward. So I'm gonna put half the tire on. And then take the inner tube, and then stick the stem through the rim. So, walk the inner tube and the tire. Alright, so we got the inner tube in the tire. Can put it back on the bike. So skewers on the non-drive side. Just like that, it's back on. Tread is facing the right way. And put the brake back on. Brakes work. Got the front wheel on. Fewer is always on the non-drive side. Should be seating in there, right? Pump up the tires and then reseat it. So it should be at 55 psi. Yep. So just pump up the tires. The brake back together. Sweet. Okay, so pump up the tires. Rear tire pumped up. It's all pumped up and ready to go. I think I'm gonna drop the bike down and then seat the rear hub properly. This is on the ground. I guess that's missing right now. Okay, it's seated nicely. Inner tubes are holding there. Sweet. So, yeah. That's how you replace inner tubes and tires, since both of them were popped. And then the tires are flipped around.